caramel sugar springs are a great accent to a dessert plate with a portion of strudel. And it starts by making simple caramelized sugar. So I pour in a couple tablespoons of water into a small sauce pot. And I like to put the water at the bottom, so when I add my 1 cup of sugar, it starts melting right away. I'll turn the heat on high. You always boil your caramelized sugar uncovered on high heat. The last addition I'm making is a tablespoon of glucose. It gives the caramelized sugar some stretch and movement. You can find glucose wherever you buy cake decorating supplies. As the sugar cooks, I brush the sides of the pot with water to keep it clean and until it turns a light amber color. There we go. I've got a beautiful amber color to the caramelized sugar. It's far too hot and fluid to work with now. So what I'll do is let it cool down for just a few minutes. And get my portion of that pear walnut strudel ready for the plate. Okay, let's take a peek. Oh yes, this is just the right consistency. What I have ready is a tray lined with parchment paper, and then I simply use wooden spoons to create or shape the springs. I have a little dish with vegetable oil, and I just grease the handle of the spoon. That way, the spring will come off easily. Then, just let the sugar do all the work. So that's the glucose at work. See that beautiful stretch? I'll let this set and work on another one. And if you can, you want to loosen it while it's still a little flexible. There we go. Start with a small one. Usually takes 1 or 2 caramel springs before you get the real rhythm down. There we go. Try one last one. Let me just get gorgeous one here. Got some nice little springs. And just to make the garnish stand out on the plate, and I love a slice of warm strudel, a generous piping of whipped cream on the side. And just place them on top, and all of a sudden you have a beautifully garnished dessert. So now that you've mastered the techniques behind making a really good strudel, from the simple type to the elaborate, you can take all these ideas to your own kitchen to bake and enjoy.